Hello, welcome to the podcast where you learn English language in order to speak like the natives. The present podcast is about adjectives that can be used as ed and ing. How can we use the adjectives in two forms? In order to show you how to do that, we will start by looking at the adjectives first. Next, we show how these adjectives are used in practice. Finally, we provide you with a practice section where you can practice what you have learned. This will help you practice what you have learned in this class. So, let's get to it. A. The adjectives used in two forms, but have the same meaning, ed and ing. Examples of the adjectives are 1. Excited and exciting. 2. Bored and boring. 3. Interested and interesting. 4. Amused and amusing. 5. Satisfied and satisfying. 6. Stimulated and stimulating. 7. Frustrated and frustrating. 8. Depressed and depressing. 9. Fascinated and fascinating. 10. Confused and confusing. 11. Exhausted and exhausting. 12. Alarmed and alarming. 13. Frightened and frightening. 14. Embarrassed and embarrassing. B. Examples of use. 1a. Excited. My niece is highly excited because she was admitted to study at the University of Harvard. 1a. Excited. The news of admission to study at University of Harvard is exciting to my niece. 2a. I get bored by long flights. 2b. Long flights are boring to me. 3a. My friend is interested in making money. 3b. Making money is interesting to my friend. 4a. My children are amused by the Disney characters. 4b. Disney characters are amusing to my children. 5a. Some people are not satisfied with their jobs. 5b. Some people's jobs are satisfying to them. 6a. Why are you stimulated by coffee? 6b. Why is coffee stimulating to you? 7a. My frustrated and frustrating. 8a. My daughter is depressed whenever she cannot solve problems in mathematics. 8b. Solving problems in mathematics is depressing to my daughter. 9a. Many people were fascinated with the invention of electricity. 9b. Invention of electricity was fascinating to many people. 10a. She was confused after criminals robbed her. 10b. Robbery by criminals was confusing to her. 11a. After the day's work, my father became exhausted. 11a. The day's work was exhausting to my father. 12a. You don't have to be alarmed by bombs. 12b. Bombs don't have to be alarming to you. 13. Why are women frightened by rats? 13b. Why are rats frightening to women? 14a. My younger son was embarrassed when he saw an old woman singing opera. 14b. Seeing an old woman singing opera was embarrassing to my younger son. C. Practice. Can you use the words in exercise A and make sentences similar to those in exercise B? Imagine other situations where you can use the adjectives. Use the examples similar to the ones given in section B to describe the people you know. Try and practice more times so you can understand and master how to use the adjectives in two different forms. That is, using them in ed and ing forms. When you finish, Do not forget to write your comment if you have any problems with any of the topics discussed in these podcasts. Thank you for listening to the podcast.
I thought my heart was made to break. Somehow I was paying for all my mistakes, and that's just the way life goes. But I didn't know that out beyond all that I could see was someone there just waiting for me, in a field of flowers with colors that I'd never seen. You brought me back to love. You brought me back to life, just when I